Have you ever wondered if Tangerine is actually a bank? It's a question that's popped up in many people's minds, especially as they've become more familiar with the digital banking world. Tangerine, often referred to as Canada's first direct bank, has gained a significant following due to its innovative approach to banking. With no physical branches, Tangerine offers a range of financial products and services online and through its mobile app. But is it truly a bank? What is a bank? Before we delve into Tangerine, let's clarify what we mean by a bank. Traditionally, a bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits, makes loans, and provides other financial services. They are regulated by government authorities to ensure the safety and soundness of the financial system. Tangerine's legal status: Tangerine is actually a subsidiary of Scotiabank, a major Canadian bank. This means that while it operates independently, it is still backed by the financial stability of a traditional bank. Scotiabank provides Tangerine with essential banking services, such as deposit insurance and access to the interbank payment system. Tangerine services. So, if Tangerine isn't a bank, what does it offer? Despite not having physical branches, Tangerine provides a wide range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts. Tangerine offers a variety of account types to suit different needs, including high-interest savings accounts and cashback checking accounts. Credit cards. Tangerine provides a range of credit cards with competitive interest rates and rewards programs. Investments. Tangerine offers investment products, such as mutual funds and GICs, through its Tangerine investment platform. Mortgages. Tangerine provides mortgage financing options for homebuyers. Tangerine's advantages. One of the main advantages of banking with Tangerine is its convenience. With no physical branches, customers can access their accounts 24/7 through online and mobile banking. Tangerine also often offers competitive interest rates and fees compared to traditional banks. Tangerine's disadvantages. While Tangerine offers many benefits, it's important to note that it may not be suitable for everyone. If you prefer face-to-face interactions with a bank teller or require in-person services, a traditional bank may be a better option. Additionally, while Tangerine is backed by Scotiabank, it's still subject to the same risks as any other financial institution. So, to answer the question, does Tangerine have a bank? While Tangerine itself is not a bank, it is a subsidiary of Scotiabank and benefits from the financial stability of a major Canadian bank. Tangerine offers a wide range of banking services and provides convenience and competitive rates. However, it's essential to consider your individual needs and preferences before deciding if Tangerine is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.